Here is the easiest way I know to tie a tie. No more pre-tied, no more clip-ons, you got this. To start with, you've got to make sure your shirt is buttoned all the way to the top. I know it's not comfortable, but that's how it's got to work in order for the tie to look right. So you've got all the buttons, even that one, guys, sorry. Next up, pop your collar. Take your tie, put it around your neck, but not just around your neck evenly. The right side is going to be a lot longer than the left side. I mean like a lot. Now, I'm gonna take my left side, I'm gonna hold it out here where I can see what I'm doing. My left hand is holding the little skinny tail, and it's not going to move, not letting go. The pretty side of the tie is facing out. The back side, I put a red piece of tape on so you can tell this is the back. It always faces me. So now we're gonna take our pretty side, flop it over the left. Not moving this hand. Pull it over again, flop it over a second time. Pick up your fat part of your tie, and the back side is going to kind of sweep your neck, come up here by your button. And now we got to stick this fat part down in this loop that we just created. This is really the only tricky part of the whole thing. You've got to find that loop and stick the fat part down in that loop you just created. All right, I'll pull it all the way down. Oh, there's your tie knot, easy enough. Okay, look, and I still haven't let go of this hand. Then all you do is whoop, zip it up. And then you want to get in front of a mirror and start to straighten up your tie knot, make it look a little prettier. When you have it like you want it, then you can flop down put your collar back down. Gentlemen, a lot of time your dress shirts are going to have the little tiny buttons right here. You need to button those down too. Once you put your tie on, you button those back down. When you're finished, the end of your tie should hit right at your belt. This is a lady's dress shirt, so it's not really meant for a tie, so it doesn't quite fit very well, but this is what it will look like. So now let's troubleshoot. If your tie is too short, take it off, restart, and make sure that this left side is as short as it needs to be. This left side really has to be a lot shorter than you think it does. You also want to make sure you have a high quality tie, a thicker material, a nicer material. They hold up better and they're easier to tie than a thin floppy material. You also want to make sure you untie your tie before you put it back in your closet. Otherwise, the next time you go out to get it, it's going to be all wrinkly and not look very nice. One last thing, if your tie is flopping around and getting in the way when you're washing your hands out of sink or eating soup, please don't flop it over your shoulder. You can use a tie tack or a tie bar to hold it down and keep it tied to your shirt. So how did you do? Give me a thumbs up if you got it figured out.